Okay, here it is, Memorial Day weekend, right? And we got ourselves the dolly shot, and we're going on a drive. We're looking for some birds, right? Because we got Chad attending to the supernatural soup in the kitchen. So we think if we get down to pheasant, we can peg us something and an Oriole. Okay, Memorial Day weekend. We are at the garage sale on the hood, and we're looking at the actual synchronicity alignment of the half moon and these candles offered by our hosts, right? So look at the canopy. Pisces branching off right here, and it goes all this way by Mr. Orange. And oh, hey, you two look like you're on some love hunting. You got some RAK birds in mind?
Love hunting.
Oh, I tell you. And this man...
That's another book I've never seen.
They got books, they got prayers, they got a suggestion. Joseph Heller, good as gold.
Oh, that's $5.
All right, so everything you're seeing here is an actual astronomical array. You know, like a Stonehenge of looking and seeing. Just there, the Boots constellation, I'm sure. You know, so you're looking at Astronomy Archived right here.